So what we love about Zeropark from Dijs University is the fact that they do put effort into making sure that affiliates have the appropriate resources that they need in order to be successful. For example, they do have a few explainer videos that can help get you started and kind of supplement this quick start guide. So if for any reason I've missed anything and you want to kind of double back to kind of get things from a perspective of the people who work at Zeropark, then you definitely can dive into these videos. They are a little old. You're going to notice some things have changed. So referencing to Dijs University is going to be probably your best bet because things in our course are going to be updated to how the platform is performing now. But you can definitely check out the Zeropark Advertiser Guide. It's an all-inclusive guide that introduces Zeropark to you, shows you how it works and how to run through campaign creation. It's pretty basic, and then also you can go through the Zeropark campaign setup video. So this is a video webinar where they introduce Zeropark and how to get set up on a campaign. Then you also have the Zeropark push campaign setup video. So this was imperative to release whenever push was pretty new, but now that it's a developed traffic source, you're going to notice that in the beginning you can only do run on network, and now you can do source and target, and then also you have a few other variables that can be implemented in those kind of campaigns. But again, like I said, it's good to see where they got started and kind of get an idea of where they have transitioned, because if something hasn't changed too much, and that means it's working. So it's good to kind of get an idea what that is. And then last but not least, another feature that they went on ahead to dive in and explain the concept a little bit more in depth for you is going to be the Zeropark ACPA video. So that will be helpful in order to make sure you can dial in on your bidding strategy, make sure that you are aware of how to read your data whenever you're running your campaigns, and these videos will help you out. So let us know if you have any questions, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.